creating a space for reflection and growth. My grandmother, Ma'am, always told me that Ash Wednesday should be a time of reflection and growth. Now that it's here, I find myself pausing to ask, how can I be a better person? How can I bring more love and light into this world? My sister thinks I should stop telling people off. My daughter thinks I should stop quarreling. But for me, this season is about reconnecting spiritually with my Creator and finding a way to bring even more love and light into my daily life. I thought about giving up simple things like sweets, but this year I am choosing something deeper. So for the next 40 days, I pledge no quarreling or telling people off. I pledge 5 minutes of quiet breathing and listening morning and evening. I pledge no sugar or starch. I pledge to documenting this journey step by step towards becoming a better person and spreading more love and light into this tumultuous world. I don't know if I'll make it, but I'm willing to try. Take up the challenge and join me on this journey so that you too can reflect on your own journey. Let's spread some love and light.